I guess we're on our way to Elephant Mountain. Come along for the ride. Launching the drone. Here it comes. Such a nice little tune they play right before the train comes. Very peaceful. Platform 2. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another sweltering afternoon. It's about 2 o'clock, and I figured I had this great idea to go hike today. Middle of the afternoon, but I'm trying to get some drone shots here of the city, but we are near the Taipei Tower. Alright guys, welcome back to another adventure. We're at the end of, or kind of the outskirts of the city here near the World Trade Center. I'm gonna get you guys a shot of the tower. I gotta cross this street, I gotta go underneath it. Yeah, I need exit 2. Got off at the wrong exit, but check it out. World Trade Center, 101 Taipei Tower. Alright, let's go. That's what we want, guys. Exit 2 Jiangshan Park. Alright, so we're headed up on a... Oh, it's so nice and cool down here. I don't know if this was a good idea, but I did bring some water. But we'll give it a shot. So yeah, it looks like I just go through this park. Yeah, time to explore some Taipei nature. Right at the outskirts here. Ah, we got minor birds. We got you in Hawaii too. Little shits. I thought that was a minor bird. This guy laughing. Minor birds are extremely good mimickers. I got a little workout area. Yeah, a little calisthenics in the park. Hey, you know what they're missing though? They don't have the upside down, the inversion tables that Korea has. That was awesome. Especially when you're walking all day, you're walking around and your back's hurting, you can get on one of those and just decompress. It's awesome. All right, let me check the maps here. I guess I'm going in the right direction. See what kind of wildlife we can spot. Oh, there's something. Some kind of bird. See him? If I get up too close, it's like some kind of egret, some kind of water bird. And I'm just, yeah, good thing I brought my mosquito repellent. Definitely bring your repellent. Oh, there's a butterfly. Apparently, Taiwan is a huge natural habitat for butterflies. Forget the species, but most of the world's population of a certain butterfly lives here. Got some old homes here up in the... I don't know, it's kind of like Korea. Let's see. My Sony phone, it's so hot out here, it just shuts down randomly. Yeah, I'm going in the right direction. But yeah, guys, thanks for coming along. I hope you're enjoying the stuff, the content. It's not every day we get to visit Taipei, Taiwan. It's a beautiful country. Very, very, very intelligent, capable people that have built an incredible society. Relatively crime-free. Well, not free, but compared to Western, especially U.S., virtually crime-free. Playground. Yeah. Older buildings. There's Taipei Tower. Yeah, so yeah, this hill, Elephant Hill, supposedly it's right, it's like a bird's eye view of the city. And I believe it's right in front of us here. But I'm gonna have to coat myself here pretty quick. And I got the more botanical mosquito repellent. That DEET shit it works, man, but yeah, it's toxic. Who knows? Carcinogenic, possibly. So yeah, I try to stay. I mean, here they just use straight up eucalyptus or tea tree oil. They just spray, or lemongrass. They just spray it on. Any of those things will keep citronella. That all keeps mosquitoes away. So yeah, let me now consult the hell Google Maps here. Okay, all right. So I'm on track. What did we do, guys, before Google Maps? Ah, look at that. There's a jackfruit tree. That's a young one. Some healthy fruit. This old Taiwanese house. It's cool. I don't know why they go for the metal doors. Maybe cheaper than wood. I don't know. It's kind of a thing in Hong Kong too. San Li Park over here. It's kind of nice though to get out of the city. It's quiet. Much quieter up here. It's a nice change, you know. So I'm thinking somewhere up here. See that? Yeah, it's freaking gnarls here. This is hotter than Singapore was. Could be worse though. Could be Hong Kong. Yeah, we're heading up the hill, guys. For that bird's eye view. Did you guys go to the trail?
Yes.
So I'm heading. Yeah.
Yes.
How long of a hike up is it? Freaking gnarly. You guys are soaked.
I'm
Yeah,
soaked.
it's-
Yeah.
I'm already soaked.
It's
What a view though.
Yeah.
it's a beautiful view. Just go slow. I mean, it's a lot of. I think it's
Yeah.
like 600 steps.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's about a kilometer up.
That's not bad. Right up there's the top.
And you'll know when you get to the top. You'll see it's a metal bench that looks like
Yeah.
it's an elephant.
Oh, okay, cool. All right.
Kind of looks like a heart almost.
All right, cool.
But there's a lot of lookouts on the way between like.
That's the end.
It's the lookout. Perfect.
Yeah. And then
Okay.
there's like a post that'll tell you like you're 180 meters up.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
We went slow. It probably took us about an hour, but there's some people just like they're just
An hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gnarls. I came from Hong Kong. It's worse, much worse than Hong Kong.
Oh, it's worse in Thailand.
But
Yeah, we came.
oh, really?
We came
I was wondering, but they say like Thailand, like it's really easy to get out of the heat there. Like it's all underground. It's like
There's a lot of underground.
it's like Singapore. It's just you don't even have to be outside.
I'm trying to remember. I know.
They just live underground. You know, they like literally never. They come out of it. Maybe they walk in the heat for maybe 2 minutes and then they're underground. It's wild. All right.
Yeah, good luck. It's
Cool.
Yeah, it's fun.
How about mosquitoes?
I didn't see any.
You weren't getting eaten? All right, cool. Awesome. That's good. I hate mosquitoes. Take it easy. The Jade Zhongshan hiking trail. Okay. Oh, temple. I don't know what temple this must be. Let's find out what this is. Oh, Daitandian Lingyun Temple. Daitandian Lingyun Temple. All right, maybe when we come back. I gotta stick to the main quest, guys. I've been side quested to death here on this trip, so. All right. And they got little stands selling tea and waters and stuff. Kinda. I don't know if this is it. Is this it? Oh, this is it. World Tour. Oh, nice. Little elephants. Elephants, guys. Let's go. So I just ran into some people that did the hike here. They said it's about 600 steps. Doesn't sound too bad. It's about a kilometer. So yeah, no problem. Got a little tea stand here. Take a break on the way. Oh man, it's hot in the sun though. Hey, look, foot massage. This is the Planet Foot Massage. Planet Computer Chips. Oh, these are like little steps. Hello. Anyhow. Yeah, I'm already. It's just, man. That's gnarly. It's really. It's not a good time to be hiking, but. Fuck. These are weird steps too. They don't go up very high. It's just like half the height of a normal step. All right. Oh, this humidity is just. This is why you gotta do this shit when you're young, guys. The older you get, the harder it gets. Oh, we're pretty far. You are here. So my guess is the lookout is here. I don't know. And of course they're in Chinese. Elephant. Oh, elephant. Elephant is this way, yeah. Shishi. Yeah, it's a little hot. How do you do it? You all dressed, you covered up, long pants. Wow, you're a trooper. Very tough. So, yeah, just take a break if you need to. Yeah, just take breaks. Huh? Yeah. Plus, I'm not climatized to the heat. Not yet. Maybe in a couple more weeks. All right. They're all covered up head to toe to protect themselves from the sun, but it's pretty shaded. I guess mosquitoes too. Oh, side quest. Shall we go? Let's go. I feel like a snake sighting coming on. Maybe a cobra. That would be cool. Wild boar. Oh, guaranteed I'm already seeing the mosquitoes. Fuck that. Let's get out of here. Freaking mosquitoes. Not today. And they wear freaking masks. Look, they wear masks hiking in this shit, in this heat. Literally, they wear masks all the time here in the summer, walking around outside. I don't understand. And same with Japan. I don't understand. If you guys want to explain that to me, why? I mean, COVID's over. Are they worried about another one? I mean, or are they doing it just to hide their faces from all of us vloggers? I don't know. it's some kind of grasshopper eating these berries. I don't know if I can get a shot of that. Yeah, I'll freaking eat it. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see him, but it's one thing this Ace Pro 2 doesn't excel at zoom. It only has like a 2x zoom function, and that's just for the video. If you're shooting stills with this thing, there's zero zoom. FYI. Back in the sun. It's great. Oh, we got a little break area. Little mosquito feeding station right here. Got some chairs. See, they let the mosquitoes hang out in the shade. All right, let's go up here. Let's go up. Damn. All right, I'm gonna shut this off and I'll pick it up again when we're at the top. So I think we're about a quarter of the way up. I gotta take a break. Tell you what, guys, things I do for you. This is freaking insane. But it's do or die. We are beyond the point of no return. Oh, there's a couple butterflies. Yeah. A lot of butterflies. Well, the butterflies love the tropics, but Taiwan, especially, oh man, look at this. So it's really good to eat a lot of fruit, so I ate more dragon fruit. Oh, okay, a little break. Chinese fan palm. All right, cool. There you go. There's the money shot, guys, for your viewing pleasure. And we're not even there yet. So, we are, looks like we're, I don't even know, maybe halfway. Oh yeah, we can go out and take a, I'm just drenched. Yeah. There it is, guys. Taipei City in all its glory. Alright. Oh good, it's getting cloudy. Yeah. I guess there's trails here, but it's gotta be going up, so. Oh, here come the, freaking, I don't know what those things are, katydids? They have this giant katydid here. As you can hear, this is the sound of humidity in the tropics and the Asian tropics. Woo! Dang. This is unreal. No railing up here. You're winging it. Oh, wow, so loud. You listen? Oh, there we have it. Taiwanese butterfly. And another one. Oh, Taiwan people are tough, man. All right. I'm taking a break. Old people are doing this freaking trail. This is gnarly. Oh, break time. And you know, why rush? Why hurry? There's no reason to hurry. You know? But yeah, I think I'm good now. Let's continue on. Alright guys. Oh, look at that. Just soaked. Some kind of yellow berries. I don't know if anybody knows what those are. Feel free to comment. I don't know if they're edible or poisonous. Who knows? I got guys running, training. That's nuts. Yeah, that's one way to get ripped. Do this every day. Sorry, I'd rather surf. I don't know what that means, but oh, actually, it means well, the character at the bottom is mountain. I don't know. That must mean elephant. This is Elephant Mountain. Now the steps get even taller at the top, just when your legs are tired. But yeah, let's keep going. At least there's some railing here. Oh man, not that I need it, but okay. Is this it? Are we there yet? Giant rock, giant boulder. I wonder, somebody up there. But yeah, here's another view of the other side of the city. The higher we get, the more city. But you can see all that concrete, all the metal roofs, that's just reflecting heat. And there is zero wind today. So, 6 giant rocks. I'm not gonna read it, but you guys can. Just pause the video. Oh look, they've even carved the stone, carved the rock in. At least we're not the only ones that do that shit. Side quest. But actually we could do a side quest because we made it. There's a temple, Linguin Temple, 13 minutes. But this is Elephant Mountain. And this trail, let's check it out. So we are alright, where are we? Oh, there's a cave. Check that out, guys. Where are we? I'm looking for the "you are here." Oh, here's the arrow. Okay. We're here. This trail goes big. Yeah. No, fuck that, guys. Oh no, we're here. Not even. We're here. This must be entrance to the trail. Mount Xianshan. That looks like pretty close. Well, it'll be higher up. Yeah, clouds are coming, might rain. Mount Xianshan. Yeah, it's 5 minutes. I got sweat dripping into my eyes and burning. But we will soldier on, guys. Oh, here's another lookout. Oh, this is the elephant lookout. So there's the elephant. This is it. Wow, what a view. Taipei Tower. See the whole city from up here just about. Amazing. Look at the green. Straight up jungle here, rainforest jungle. Imagine the first people to settle this island, like, imagine the mosquitoes and then the malaria. And over time, centuries, we have this. Planet Taipei. There's some more black and white butterflies. Don't ask me what they are, but let's keep heading up. Oh, I almost forgot. Gotta get a selfie in here. There we go. Look at that. Here we are. All right. Let's go up. I'm back on the trail. Going up. Going higher. I'm just hoping that you guys like my videos. You like my content. And then maybe one day I can meet my hero. Who's my hero, you ask? None other than, come on guys. Need I, I mean, come on. He is the one YouTuber extraordinaire. I'll give you a hint. He speaks Russian fluently. That's all I'm gonna say. I think you can figure it out. But yeah. I'd love to just pick his brain. Oh, we got full-on metalwork going on here, guys. Grinding, sparks. We got butterflies. Repairing the railing, welding machines. You can see here in the tropics, rust is definitely an issue. Oh, they're repairing this little section. Well, it must be just constant. I mean, this is like super steep stairs. Yeah, definitely don't want to rush it. Take it slow. Oh, butterfly. Another black butterfly. These big black and white butterflies. If anybody knows what these are in Taiwan, yeah, please leave a comment. Ah, there's another. Shit, you could just. This is like workout mountain. Do your calisthenics and then you do your steps. Damn. Climbing up this damn thing. Oh, there we go. There's the lookout there. Yeah, it looks like an elephant. So yeah, guys, I made it. Boom. That is the coolest tower though. You should definitely go up there and check out the counterweight. The break station, water station, heating station. You know, it's hot here. Not even sweating. They're not even sweating. Like, I'm like, I don't know, I'm soaked. Okay, she's a little soaked, but I'm soaked. I'm super soaked. Let's go walk down here. There's another, oh, this one's brown and like gold. Probably can't see it, but I'm maxed out on the zoom. All I can say is I already bested Sunnyside. If you guys know who that is, he's the guy behind the best food review show ever, or whatever, best damn food review show. I don't know. But yeah, come on. I sat down and ate snake, crocodile, and turtle at the same sitting. So, and I ate it all. I didn't just take a taste. I ate the full thing, the full bowl of soup, the whole turtle. Yeah, boy. And I filmed it, and it's going on YouTube. And I think you guys will like it. I really do. Probably got worms now, but you know, fuck it. Things we do for views, for content. Yeah, we're just walking. This is just jungle. It's been a heck of a trip, let me tell you. I really, really enjoy doing this, and I hope I can continue. So please, if you like it, if you like my content, like, share, subscribe, and I'll definitely blast out some fungus. I don't know. I'm just doing my thing, guys. Wandering the world. There's butterflies like flying around. I don't know if you saw that, but I mean, there's just all kinds of butterflies. There's not even like flowers blooming really. And there's spiders here too. Oh yeah, there are spiders. Yeah, and the Asian spider, well, we had them in Hawaii, but the garden spiders, they're from like East Asia, freaking massive. They're like this big. We might be able to spot some. Looks like we got some kind of wild fruit growing there. I don't know what that is. This is nice. See, it's pretty. No steps. You can just wander through the jungle, through the path. I feel like I'm just like in a walking simulator video game in the jungle. It's cooled off now that it's gotten cloudy. Look, there's butterflies. Look at that. That's my hibiscus. You can glimpse the city down below, but it's nice and quiet up here. Oh yeah, I was gonna fly my drone. On that note, let's find a spot. Ah, this looks like a good spot here. Oh, it's like an abandoned. I don't know what this is, but it's abandoned, guys. It's like a rest area. Oh, look, they had. Yeah. All right. Let's see. I think I could launch from here. There's a lot of trees, but I mean, you know what? I got the Neo 2, or the Neo, and I think this will be okay. Let's give it a shot. Hey guys, I'm gonna get set up here. So yeah, that was. I gotta go get the drone. I think I can get to it, but it didn't end well. But I think it's not lost. For some reason, I don't know. I wouldn't. Couldn't get it to fly forward. It's like not responding. But yeah, we'll go get it. That is where it is. So it's right down here. But I think I can get to it. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. Shit. Alright, let's give it a try. Fuck. Yeah, I almost freaking died down there. That's freaking gnarly, but I got it. I gotta lose my drone. No way. Switch it off. It's kind of hot. I don't know what's up. I'll have to check it out in a safe place, but yeah, I don't know why it wasn't responding. Guys, that was insane. Vines here are covered in thorns. Like razor sharp thorns. Alright, let's get out of here. I've had it. There's a stunt. Oh, there was one stuck in my leg. Alright. I'm gonna put you guys down because I gotta climb out of this mess. Anyway, I love you guys. Thanks for traveling along with me. Coming along for the ride. Signing off, Foreign Fanatic from the jungle. Above Taipei. Alright. Say goodbye. There's the Taipei Tower. Alright, I'll try to pick this up when we're back in the city. Yeah, in a safer environment. Alright, let's shouldn't be too bad getting out of here. But that was definitely a pickle. Alright, sign off. Okay guys, so we're just heading back down the hill. Oh yeah, just did a little ankle twister. Alright, good thing I got flexible ankles. Yeah, we're just heading back down another trail. All kinds of trails up here. Well, I'm just going back the way we came because the mosquitoes are coming out. It's like some rain clouds have rolled in. I'm hearing thunder. So, but it's much cooler right now. It's about 4:30. Nice right now, actually. Totally tolerable. You know, if you get the cloud cover, it's not bad. Here, I'll give you a view. So yeah, it was a fun little adventure. Main quest completed. Let's see what side quests we can unlock. How about eat the century egg? 6 giant rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. I'm only seeing 5, but maybe that's 6. Oh, here's another quick lookout one more time on the way down. Oh, it looks like the old Taipei. This little corner And then you got all the, the business financial district here. Lots of building going on, lots of towers going on up. Can only imagine with the boom of AI what that's going to do to Taiwan's economy. It's going to explode. Like, it's going to, their economy is literally going to be nuclear. Here's a question for you guys. You can Google.